This episode of Photonics Hot List is brought to you by Aerotech, precision motion control and automation. Take control, speed, precision, performance.
Hello, I'm Justine Murphy with Laser Focus World. Let's take a look at some of the amazing things happening in photonics. Cell therapy has become a game-changing treatment in the fight against cancer. It's aided by cell manufacturing, the process of harnessing and modifying a patient's white blood cells, but that's challenging. Recent advancements in flow cytometry could help. Researchers from Belgium-based R&D center IMEC, alongside a team from Sarcura, a tech startup in Austria specializing in cell therapy manufacturing, have designed an on-chip flow cytometer using photonic integrated circuits and fluidics, offering high-throughput identification and analysis of human white blood cells. The team used CMOS-compatible technologies to fabricate the chip, which has 3 layers: a silicon wafer on the bottom featuring illumination photonics and fluidic inlets, a middle layer containing fluidic channels, and a quartz layer on top that hosts the photonic circuitry. The setup works by sending excitation light upward vertically through the microfluidic channel, which is accessible through the inlets and outlets in the silicon wafer and where the cells interact with the light. Collection gratings in the transparent quartz layer gather that light scattered by the cell. The researchers say this is a first step toward more advanced single-cell detection capabilities with massive parallelization on a dramatically miniaturized footprint. Military operations have long relied on GPS for precise navigation, but it has become increasingly prone to attacks that can block signals or deceive users, prompting a push for a backup for such technology. A potential replacement now lies in the quantum realm. Working toward quantum inertial navigation, a team from the U.S. Naval Research Lab has developed a 3D-cooled atom beam interferometer based on a patterned cold and continuous beam of atoms. Involving quantum mechanical sensors as inertial navigators, it will allow them to explore atom interferometry-based inertial measurement systems to reduce drift in navigation systems. The new setup combines inertial measurement units, which use gyroscopes and accelerometers to track the position and orientation of objects based on their known starting point, orientation, and velocity. It essentially tracks the location of a person or object without an external position reference. This patent-pending technology, which will soon be tested in real-world scenarios, works even when satellites are unavailable and outside interference is impossible, the researchers say, making their system more reliable and effective than conventional GPS. Ultrafast machine vision could soon be on the horizon thanks to new technology researchers in China say can process, transmit, and reconstruct images within just nanoseconds. Developed by a team at Tsinghua University, a photonic sensing computing chip both captures and examines images for things like autonomous driving, technology that essentially relies on optical to electronic conversion. Called an optical parallel computational array chip, it could revolutionize edge intelligence, which involves edge computing, a component that performs image processing and analysis, and AI. The new chip features a sensing computing array of ring resonators to convert free space optical intensity images into a guided, coherent light signal. A separate microlens array then focuses the images onto the chip. The chip produces a response time of 6 nanoseconds thanks to a processing bandwidth that can hit up to 100 billion pixels. The researchers say this is about 6 orders of magnitude faster than conventional approaches. In addition to autonomous driving, the team's work could also be ideal for industrial inspection and robotics applications. And that's your Photonics Hot List. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit laserfocusworld.com for the latest and coolest news and information. And check out our Following the Photons podcast too, to hear some really cool, interesting interviews with the industry's top players. Until next time.